Hello and welcome to Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. I'm Bonnie Wright and you probably more recognize me as Ginny Weasley. I am very excited to be here because this year is the 20th anniversary of the first Harry Potter film, and I really couldn't think of a better place to celebrate than the studio tour, as it's all new and widely expanded. And you just get to experience the action, the magic and fun, and the props and costumes and the recreated sets from the wizarding world of Harry Potter and the Fantastic Beasts